add elements to the end of the multidimensional list. We use the append method for it. We created a multidimensional list. Let us print it using for loop. Let us print it. So we use the for loop and printed the multidimensional list. Now let us append, add elements to the end. For that, use my list, your list name, list object dot append, and just mention the elements you want to add. Let's say I'll mention 250, 275 and 300. Now I'll just print the list again. Let me mention updated. Okay, now let us run it. So this was our list, and we updated our list with 3 more elements using the append method. Okay, in this way we can work around multi-dimensional list.